Good? All right. Alex, thanks for having me.
Of course, it's great to be here.
So I just saw you on the main stage.
Did you? Okay.
And, I think of energy, I think of HP Personal Systems. When I say HP Personal Systems, what do you think of immediately?
Oh, opportunity, energy, and you know what? Like the word for work now that we haven't had in a while is fun. I love the fact they're having fun. Why should that not be a part of work? But we're so excited about what we're doing, but we realize it can be fun. And I think that is like a word that we need back in the workplace.
Well, when you think of fun, I think of innovation.
Yes.
I think of innovation we think about here at this place with partners.
Yeah.
So innovating with partners, innovation with personal systems.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit more about that.
Well, first, we're innovating for people. That's what the big message is about, is we're innovating for people. We're innovating for how people work with all these new AI PCs that we've launched, the industry's largest portfolio. We're enabling companies to transform what they do through AI, through the most comprehensive solution of workstation development tools for them. And we're enabling how people work, and that is hybrid. Home, office, anywhere in between, and we have the broadest portfolio of solutions for hybrid work. So we've got the stuff, but the stuff is for people to allow them to work and live better.
So I know this seeing from the outside and knowing from the inside, your job, it's a pretty big job, and it can be tiresome. But when you think about innovation, and on top of that, sustainable portfolio.
Yes, yes.
That's not easy.
Yes, it's a journey. Like, we started this years ago. In fact, it's really one of the reasons why I love this company, because we care about not just short term, but long term. We don't just care about us, we care about the broader impact. In fact, it's really about making an impact. And so we've been at this for years, and we are proud of the fact that 100% of our PCs and displays have recycled material, but we're just more proud of being a part of something bigger. Like, isn't that what we want to be? We want to be a part of something bigger that's going to outlast us, that is a part of making a larger impact. So that, okay, there's fun, but there's also impact. And then together, we think that gives us the energy for the day.
All those things are, again, I mentioned, not easy to do, right? So how are you getting your teams to stay on task of that?
First, great people. It's actually not about great technology, It's about great people. And what do? We're spending a lot of time, we call it insights. We're watching how people live and work and staying connected to the customer. Second, we've spent a lot of time investing in engineering and innovation. And quite frankly, during COVID, we spent a lot of time on getting supply in a time that supply was limited. Now we've shifted student body right to innovate, innovate, innovate. So we are keeping our engineers focused on innovating for the future. And the third thing, we can't do it ourselves. This is why we're having this partner conference. It's enabling our partners to understand what we're doing, be equipped to sell, and partnering with them to go sell it, and like the Doobie Brothers said, taking it to the streets.
Well, you have to,
Taking
right?
it to the streets.
I mean, you got to take it to the streets, and you got to take it together. I mean,
Yes.
what I've heard through the last few days, the better together strategy. You mentioned the ecosystem.
That's the word. You're listening.
is
Better together.
I am listening. What are you talking about?
Good.
You say something, I'm going to pay attention to, but then if you say something, I want to know more about it.
Yes, yes, better together. We think that's a great reflection of what we should do with technology. It's not just PCs, room solutions, printers, it's how they work better together. It's not just about HP, but it's HP and our partners better together. And then you saw we invited our closest partners from industry, Intel, AMD, Qualcomm, Microsoft, Google, NVIDIA. Just to name a few, it's working together as partners. In fact, the world is about partnership, and we really set the bar very high for all of our employees, saying partnering better allows us to innovate better for people.
You know what's funny? I was listening to make sure you got all the partners that said it,
How did I
and
do?
the fact that you did pretty good.
Caffeine. No. Yes.
Well, I know we got a few more minutes. I want to ask you, we're in Vegas. What is the all-in bet, the bold bet that you're making with your team?
Yeah, all in. We're all in that we as HP can really be the leader in enabling people to work wherever they are.
Well,
We have the footprint and the portfolio of solutions that addresses how people work. Think about how an employee spends their day. Our all-in bet is that our portfolio, with AI infused into them, with the broadest partner network in the world, and not as individual products, but as solutions, better together, that we can do that better than anyone. And you know what? We don't care necessarily about being better than anyone. We care about making the most impact to the most amount of employees, companies and people around the world and doing it sustainably.
All right, real quick, word associations. Ryan is curious. I know
Okay,
you've seen this before.
Okay, do it.
The future of AI is.
Oh, hope, exciting,
And
2 words.
Yeah, I'll take it. And as soon as they say this word, I want it, first thing that tops of mind, all right? You ready?
Okay.
Amplify.
Ooh, energy.
I love it. Right on
Great.
cue, man.
All right. Thanks
Appreciate
very much.
you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.